My name's Nelson Zhao. I studied the Bachelor of Commerce, and from 2022, I started the Juris Doctor here at Melbourne Law School. Because I've always wanted to do the JD afterwards, I decided to fill up most breadths with as many law subjects as I could. I would say regardless of whether or not you want to do the JD in the future, doing MLS breadths is a great way to help just improve your understanding about the world, and it will also most likely improve your understanding about whatever undergraduate subjects you're currently undertaking. My worldview has changed because it has allowed me to understand the law better, but also it's opened my eyes into the various injustices that we still face. When I studied free speech and media law and learning about defamation, that was a really complex yet systematic puzzle, and that was a real wow moment for me. Studying the breadths enhanced my experience in terms of the Bachelor of Commerce because of the variety it involved. My commerce subjects, especially the finance majors, were very challenging. Very, very numbers based, and doing law breadths, which was so different, that was already like a breath of fresh air, in addition to how interesting the content was. My experience learning MLS breadths, there was a lot of class engagement between students. The commerce subjects I learned were more of an individual experience, so there wasn't too much collaborative engagement. The big difference with law breadths is that there is a lot of group discussion, happens almost every week. That makes sense because not only is extensive discussion required based on the concepts we learn, but also there's just such a diverse cohort, people doing all sorts of different undergraduate degrees. So it doesn't particularly matter if you don't do the JD. I think it's just very valuable knowledge and a positive experience overall.